This is one of so this will be where one of the gutter will be, and this is one of the walkway. This is one of the gutter. This one is for one of the gutter. This is the downward side of the building. That's the back side. As you can see it, that's the back side. And here, this is where we're trying to cutting out for the gutter and also for the walkway. I'm actually standing on one of the gutter. This other side it will be for walkway.
The record of the
And
work
this
that
is
has
also
been carried out today. This is the completion of the excavation of the whole building, and a step is being removed at this side to make it rhyme with the rest. So a step was removed for at the old this time at this side during the completion, and it applies to all the areas here. All the steps were removed here and at this side too. So also the filling of the admin building continues today too, and also the forming of the oversight concrete was also done today. The oversight concrete was also from today around the admin building. Also, they also did the binding of the first walkway at the left hand side. So they did the binding, and also they did the forming of the block, but it's still at the coach now, just one coach. So they did the binding and the forming of the block, as it still continues from here. The binding and the forming of blocks here, and it's still at one coach here, and they stopped at this place, so they just have few distance to cover at this line. That's the first walkway at the left hand side.
continuation of blinding for the walkway as well as the gutter. The continuation of the work, the blinding still. So we'll take it like that down to the back wall.